The sum of a geometric series with 4 terms is an integer. Given that the common ratio is a half, find one possible value for the first term. So because it's only 4 terms, we'll write it out in full. The first term would be a, the second term would be half a, the third would be half a times a half, which would be a quarter a, and then you'd have a quarter a times a half, which would be 1/8 a. And that has to be an integer. Let's figure out what this is simplified first of all. So you'd have 8a over 8 plus 4a over 8 plus 2a over 8 plus 1a, or a over 8. In total that gives you 12, 14, 15, a divided by 8. So this sum here has to be an integer, a whole number. So if you put in 1 here, you get 15 divided by 8, which would give you a decimal. And then if you put in 2, it would simplify a little bit, but it would still be 15 divided by 4, which is a decimal, and so on. The first time you wouldn't get a decimal would be when a is 8, because you get 8 divided by 8, which is 1, and you'd just be left with 15. There are no factors of 15 and 8 that are common, so really what you need to have is this letter a has to be a multiple of 8 to cancel out the 8. So a can be any value as long as it's a multiple of 8.